Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device reports an Indian location and Bgmi is fully updated. Once done, sign into the Google Play or App Store account tied to an Indian phone number. Open Bgmi and let any server sync finish. This verifies your region with the game backend. If prompted, grant location and storage permissions so the game can validate your device. These steps ensure the game sees you as in region before you change in-game settings or link account. You now link a region-appropriate account. Go to Settings, Basic, Account, then Link. Choose Google, Facebook, or verify your Indian phone number. Linking forces the game to adopt that account's region. Make sure your Google Play country is India and that your payment profile or SIM matches. Once linked, sign out and back in to confirm the region flag updates on the server. Do not use VPNs, because they conflict with account region checks and can trigger temporary blocks. Finish by clearing Bgmi cache or reinstalling if the region didn't update after linking. This forces a fresh server sync. After reinstall, grant required permissions and sign in with the linked Indian account. The in-game region should now display correctly. If it still shows incorrectly, collect screenshots of your Google Play country, SIM details, and in-game account page, then contact Bgmi support. A key troubleshooting tip: never use VPNs during this process. They mask your true location and often block successful region verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.